Hello, our YouTube family. Johan Fonseca with Empire V telling you to look, listen, and live with us. We are standing outside of Tommy Bahamas today. This is a fully smart restaurant that's powered by Control 4 with a full Klipsch audio system set up by the best. Let me take you inside and let me give you an awesome walkthrough of the atmosphere and the amazing things that we did inside of it. Come on. All right, from the moment you walk in, you can see and hear the experience. All the speakers in the ceiling are Klipsch audio. This is a system that was upgraded. We did not do the original system for this building. A year ago, they reached out. They had an allocated budget to do improvements to the restaurant. We came in, we designed the system to not only improve the ambient audio, but make it a smart restaurant. So we're gonna walk you through the lighting, we're gonna walk you through the audio, we're gonna walk you through how they use the entire system. Let's go this way. All right, so you'll see that there is multiple zones of audio. All of these are controlled from an iPad or a phone. There is a touchscreen in the manager's office that controls the entire restaurant, every light. But as you walk in here, you do have control of this zone separately. It is integrated for the volume to go up and down as the restaurant fills up with people. Now this right here, this is the smart lighting section of this project. When we came, this was full of switches. This is how it was originally created. Everybody had to come in and turn the switches on and off every day. What we've done is we've made it a smart restaurant. All the lights still work. However, they don't have to go in there and flip the switches. The system has automated time scenes that turn on in the morning at the dedicated opening time, and then they have a closing time. In the evening, the lights cut off at the dedicated closing time. Another awesome thing that you will know here, if you ever come to this restaurant out in the Woodlands and you're sitting here around sunset, you'll start noticing that the entire atmosphere starts to change. All the lights are gonna start dimming down as the sun starts going down. The first thing we did when we walked in was the manager was like, hey, you guys should have been here. You should have recorded this at 6 when it's packed and everybody's here. And then you have this lighting scene that y'all set up. We are in the patio and it's kind of empty out here because nobody wants to sit in this heat. However, this is a separate zone of audio. If I didn't say that earlier, this entire restaurant is powered by Klipsch Audio, professional 7-volt Klipsch audio system. This has 4 separate zones, all smart amps through episode that are controlled by Control 4. Now let's talk about an experience. A restaurant is more than just food. You want to make sure that everyone is friendly, that the food is delicious, but you can have a conversation with the person across from you without everybody in the restaurant hearing it. That's why ambient audio is so important. Speakers, depending on the distance and height, on average should be located anywhere between every 8 to 10 feet. It's not necessarily about quality, but it is about quantity, and then you improve on the quality. Let's go inside so you can hear a little bit more and see how everyone is enjoying every zone of audio and everyone is able to have a conversation and still hear the music, but not have to scream at each other while they're having lunch. All right, so as we talk about an experience, here every night, I believe at 6 p.m., there's a live band that is gonna come here and plug into this XLR inputs that we've set up for the system and take over the audio system. It is an experience, it is a packed house. The drinks are amazing, the ambience, the atmosphere. You want to be here. Not only that, but like I mentioned, if you do come on a evening where the sun is going down, you're going to catch this awesome scene that we've set up to allow the lights to dim at the same time as the sun is going down. It's awesome to see. Now in this restaurant, we have 4 TVs in the system, 2 55-inch TVs on the corner of the bar, and 2 inside of the bar. These are 32-inch currently. They are going to be upgraded in the next couple of weeks. The awesome thing about it is that slowly but surely we get to add more and more smart features into this restaurant. So the next project here will be upgrading the televisions for the bar. They're going to be integrated to the control system, just like every other piece of equipment in here, to improve the experience for every single consumer while they're here. Check this out. This is the touchscreen that controls the entire restaurant. Now, for control sakes, they keep it here. Only the GM has access on the app on his phone. But from here, every room in the restaurant can be controlled. If we go into the scenes of the system, is going to show us the current status, what's playing in every room. And if we go into the lighting, right here, I can control every light in the entire restaurant. All of the light switches are dimmable, and this is the current scene that they've created to keep it. There goes your good morning scene, your sunset scene, and the all off when they go to bed, and the all off when they shut down at night. All right, that is a wrap for this video. That is a wrap for this walkthrough. Thank you for joining us. Big shout out to Klipsch Audio for powering this amazing sound system, to Control 4 for powering this amazing control system, to Empire AV Services and Installations for setting up an amazing sound system, and Tommy Bahamas to allowing us to be part of it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and join us for the next one.